Good morning students. In this video we are going to focus on the chemical properties of amines. The first chemical property of amines I am going to discuss alkylation. See what is alkylation? All the three types of amines, primary, secondary, tertiary, undergo alkylation with alkyl halides. The ultimate compound is quaternary ammonium halide. So this is the alkylation. So now I am going to discuss how this quaternary ammonium halide is formed. The first one I am going to take primary amine. So or NH2. The first, now we have a primary amine. These react with the alkyl halide. Here nitrogen atom having a lone pair of electrons, it's going to act as a nucleophile. The lone pair of attacks on this, and this is the leaving group leaves this alkyl. So primary amine react with alkyl halide. So just we are going to add one more R to the nitrogen atom. And now we have R and nitrogen, and also we have a hydrogens, and we have R, and nitrogen has a positive charge. So after we removed here the X minus anion, and this X minus anion takes this proton, and these two electrons shifted to this nitrogen. So we have R and nitrogen, and we have one hydrogen and also R1. If you take this R1 in products, we get this one R1. This is our secondary amine, and treated with the again alkyl halide. The same process, this lone pair of electrons attacks in R, and leaving group, this is the X is good leaving group, leaves this one, and we have R, N, and R1 and R, and also H, and with positive charge. And here also same process, this take this H, and these electrons shifted to here. We have R, N, this R1 and R, and this is the tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. And again just I am treating with one more alkyl halide. Same process, the lone pair of electrons attacks on this all R group, and this leaving group leaves this R, and we get N, R, then R, R1 and R plus and X minus. This is the quaternary ammonium halide. So here this is primary amine and treated with the alkyl halide, and we get secondary, and secondary amine if treated with the alkyl halide we get the tertiary amine. And so this process can repeat until the nitrogen atom has a 4 R groups. So this is the alkylation reaction, and this is the reaction RNH2 RX and R2NH secondary, and with alkyl halide R3N, and this is the quaternary ammonium halide. This is the alkylation reaction. Thank you for watching.